Well, wait, why's the light on? Oh, there we go. I'm gonna get to ride home in the rain in a possible thunderstorm. That'll be fun.
It's not gonna be too bad. It'll be a decent ride. I don't think I'll be getting hit by lightning anytime soon. The horn works. It's actually nice and warm. It's a little humid because of the rain and stuff, but it's pretty damn warm. Make sure that camera is clean. Okay, a good stopping distance so I can have a running start. Is there a bicycle? No, that is a car. Punching it isn't gonna make it go any faster. I'm going as fast as I can. 40 is the max that I can go on this little 50cc bike. Ooh, this guy's gonna get hit by something. I could do what, 35 uphill? I'm losing speed. I'm losing speed quick. I'm down to 33 and a half. 34. It's leveling out. 35. 35. Still doing 35. Picking up 38, 39, and 40. And now I have to let go of the throttle. Oh, thanks for signaling, buddy. Like all late and Look at that, lightning. Oh, these droplets hurt. What the hell? Ah! Potholes hurt my balls. Yeah, yep. These are some big ass motherfucking droplets of rain. Holy shit. Ah! That's not rain. Gotta warm up those tires. Keep them warm. Keep them warm. Woo! Awesome. I want to hear that lightning. I mean, thunder. Oh, there it is. Woo! That's actually pretty damn loud. Well, it's cloudy over there, sunny as hell over there. Ah! Ah! Slipping! I'm slipping. This rain is hurting my nipples. Ow. It's gotta be mixed with hail or something. This is not rain. Oh, it's cold now. Woo, this hurts. Ah! Hey, this guy's on the phone. Get the off the phone. No! Why, you bastard. It didn't sense my little scooter. My tiny Ruckus. My tiny Ruckus doesn't get noticed because it's so tiny. How fast can you go uphill? How fast can you go uphill? I can go 25. I can go 25. I can go 26. I can go still 26. There's nobody behind me. That's good. That is good. You don't want to hold anybody up. I wonder if I... It's not working! Come on! Come on! It's not working! Alright. Alright, at least I'm not down there. I'm not down there. Oh crap! Rain hurts. I'm going 30. Going 30. Oh, picking up speed. 35. That's what I'm talking about. 36. And losing speed again. 34. 32. 30. Coming up on 28. I am drenched. I am drenched. But this is so much fun. People complaining about getting wet. This shit is fun though, man. How many times do you get to go play outside in the rain? Never, unless you're like 3. No, even then.